Welcome to Dacast. Let me help you quickly set up your account and start streaming in just a few steps. First, click Start Free Trial. Enter your first name, last name, phone number, and company website. This helps us understand your use case. If you'd like a personalized demo, simply mention your industry and whether you're interested in live streaming or video on demand. Once your account is created, you'll land on your dashboard where you can find your transcoding usage, storage, bandwidth, and analytics like paywall performance. To create a live stream, click Create Live Stream. Choose your encoding setup, HLS, RTMP, or WebRTC. If you're using OBS, select RTMP. It's free and reliable. Pick the region closest to your location and match the bitrate to your resolution. For example, if you stream in 1080p, select the 1080p or Akamai option, then go to Encoder Setup, choose OBS, copy your stream key, and paste it into OBS. Under Settings, AeroStream, select Dacast, hit Apply, and start streaming. You'll see a green indicator when connected. Back on Dacast, click Preview to confirm your stream is live. You can share your stream with embed codes or use the Dacast player link. For M3U8 links or advanced delivery options, contact your account manager in the Paywall section. You can monetize your videos using any currency. Payments are processed through Stripe with standard transaction fees. You can create promo codes, discounts, or free access for partners or team members from the Engagement tab. You can stream simultaneously to YouTube, Facebook, or other RTMP platforms, all managed directly from Dacast. For ads, we support pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll insertions. Upload your video ads or add a dynamic link. You can also integrate Google Analytics to track performance directly from your dashboard. Under Security, you can set passwords, geo-restrictions, domain control, and secure keys for maximum protection. You can also customize your player colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. The Analytics tab shows real-time data about your live streams, paywall sales, and audience engagement. You can even save pricing presets for future events. If you're using the API, create your key under Settings, Arrow Integration, Arrow API Keys, using coding recipes to manage video renditions. But remember, more renditions mean higher transcoding usage for video on demand. The process is similar to live streaming with added features like chapter markers and specific quality renditions. And that's it. You're now ready to create, stream, and monetize your content with Dacast. If you'd like a live walkthrough or technical help, our support team is always available.